The remains of late Sir Jerome Okafor Ekwugha has been committed to earth at Nneogidi village, Agulu, Anaocha council area. The burial service and funeral ceremony were attended by many who bore witness to the life of humility, honesty, service to God, and humility and all the virtues that the departed assumed. Correspondent Kenechu Puchukwude was there and now reports.
It's Sir Jerome Ekwugha, who passed on at the age of 87, was said to be endowed with great wisdom, even without formal education, dedicated most of his time to serving God through the church in different capacities, to which he was knighted by the late Anglican Bishop Maxwell Ekwugha. In his sermon at St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Agulu, Venerable Silas Ike, an archdeacon, reminded Christians of different stages of a man's life, urging Christians to use God's gift and blessing in serving him and also seeking for his mercy at all times. The eldest son of the deceased, Mr. Alex Ekwugha, explained that the father lived an exemplary Christian life, taught his children how to live a prayerful life and trust in God.
My father an example.
One of the daughters, Teresa Ekwugha, described her father as a peaceful man whom she learnt a lot from, especially being truthful and giving to God always. While another of his son, Mr. Ernest Ekwugha, emphasized that the father lived out the responsibilities of being a father, who impacted on him greatly through his loving, caring and peaceful nature, saying he would be missed. The President, Council of Knights, Archdiocese of Anglican Communion, Mr. Emma Ezenwaji, said the deceased was a man of many parts, advising the family to follow the footsteps of their father. Another member of Knights, Professor Chike Wankwo, said the deceased was imbued with sterling Christian qualities and a model for young people to follow. And Mr. Emmanuel Onyebuchi pointed out that his late uncle was a good man who gave him wonderful advice whenever he visited him. Late Mr. Ekwugha is survived by a wife, 9 children, and a popular provision store owner at Agulu.